Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. You need to begin by opening Clock app and choosing Alarm section at the bottom left corner. When you're done, click on this plus at the top right one of this alarm section. Then set up an hour. When you finished, click on days of the week that you wish to set up and choose alarm name. In this section, you can name your alarm however you want to, if you want to. And then scroll down to manage those two options. Just click on the switches next to them to turn them off or on. If you decided to enable them, you can also adjust them. I will start with alarm sound. You can select one of those sources and use music from it. Adjust the volume of your alarm by swiping left or right on this slider. And also click on ringtone section. In it, you can manage those two options thanks to switchers next to them. And even click on this plus at the top right corner. Here you can click on the switcher next to play selected highlights to switch them off or on. Tap on the song from your device that you wish to apply as your new alarm sound and save it by hitting done at the top right corner. If you don't want to do it, you can always just pick one of those melodies instead by clicking on the best one, like Pluto. Go back twice, click on snooze and decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. This time, after going back, hit save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. To switch it off completely, use this switcher next to it. And to turn it back on, use the same, now gray one. In order to make some changes in your alarm, click on it, change whatever you want to, and tap on Save. Lastly, to delete it, you need to hold it and click on Delete at the bottom on the right. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!